Welcome. Today's mix where the landlord Erica speaks on the topic of Dwayne and Kingston 13. She says that Dwayne is wrong. She mentions that his followers are the ones who have caused him to be in the mix-up situation that he is in, and he should be aware of them. Catch it now. Please watch the video that follows. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
So if cock is not a dangerous weapon. Me no there for a man in a axe, you know, if cocky no dangerous weapon. Who no see a cocky mash up the bladder? Tag the dirty trenders them over here. Me a go name out me a go name out all of them way boots him. Doing is an idiot. None of them people, their mother and father, now come up on Facebook. None of them people, their family, now come up on Facebook. And me still see them a type up to you. And I boots you for the friggery. You know you sit down and lap your frack tail. You put on your G-string and your lambada skirt and you got 13 and lap your frack tail. You talk truth and you tell a lie. Just for chat, so people will love chat. Y'all a drop asleep on phone 2 hours and hours and hours and hours. Where the hours and hours a talk say? All these are true, you talk so if it's true. Me not tell you say I see it. You come out. They will call me Batman and me and a Batman. If the daughter, the nice, sexy daughter never come out and say you want me if you tell them say me and you is a daughter. Me want to see you come out now. Move your blood clot. You see people them wear boots you are you alone. I lift up this your bungle up on Facebook. None of them and me alone I help you. Cause go and call out some of them blood clot name where you cause you fear get this disgrace. From the day you're smart your friend and the day you do it more than once and the day the girl say do it and don't talk. Just leave something alone. Doing you wrong till you can't wrong no more. I mean, no like none of you, but you're wrong till you can't wrong no more. And the people are still there on the page and push you. And I tell you say they love you. And I push you see me and nobody telling you say you are wrong. Nobody telling you you are wrong. You see what them people are doing with you? The frig at the end of the day laugh off of you too. All them roast with them and them on your phone. Them whole crutches where them front favor each other. And them make this happen to you. Those people. And I them make me I rejoice so. Mando pilang. Ha ha. Who mando pilang?
Come off here.
Commercial breakup.
Come off here. Everybody know what me discuss.
Yeah, me belly you to share the life.
Blood clot, boy. Come here. Don't you thief and scamming, boy. All me active for do a clear my name. You mix up my name in a social blood clot. Neither when you done you come call me. Yes, me am alright for it. Yes, me am alright for dirty. Yes, Dwayne. Because me now go sell cheap for like you that give you HIV and what come out and tell your followers them why you're not hearing into your ears. Dirty, nasty, thinking, thieving, blood clot doing. Where everybody, where you want to glad say you're crippled, you're going to prison for them fuck out and they would have beat out your blood clot because you can't fight and your body all done. You need a chocolate, a big stone to pop up into it. Dirty, thinking, blood clot doing. Doing you cannot call nobody thing because you went to Jamaica doing you don't like to.
Hold on, no, me never hear that one they good. Come again, weird people. A truckload of big stone fi pack up in a Dwayne batty. What is what is Master God? What going on Facebook though?
And then Dwayne, you are stealing taxpayers £800 because you take the £800 and and giving somebody, the person that you're using them identification card to go down there to collect the money, and you're getting £400 of it. Come here, Dwayne. Come here, Mr. Pastic. Come here. You only can do when him I don't like him where I'm because